Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could change an account picture in Microsoft Windows. If you have Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, or even 12, then this video is for you. Go to your search tab, click on it, and type Settings. Click on the Settings application to open. The next step, go to the left panel and click on Accounts. Here you need to scroll down and you need to locate your info. Click here, you have two options, Open Camera or Browse Files for Picture. For instance, I will search for Browse Files. You can open Camera if you want. I'll locate Picture, goes Picture. And as you can see, the picture has been updated accordingly. You can do this for any user account in your Microsoft Windows computer. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.